Imunbites-Ez is a chewable, sugar-free, gluten-free, yeast-free, wheat-free, corn-free immunity booster to improve overall health. Contains vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and zinc. Studies show that a combination of vitamin C, D3, and zinc enhances body's defense against infection. Also, vitamin E is an important nutrient for maintaining the immune system. Multivitamin, Mineral Immunity Booster Tablets. 30 chewable tablets in a food-grade plastic container. Sugar-free and gluten-free. Vegetarian. Orange flavor. Trademark registered product, and have the FSSAI Central License. Directions for use. Chew 1 tablet a day after a meal. For more useful videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you.